Okay, let's get this show on the road. If you're wondering if you can open a Monzo bank account online, you're in the right place. I'm here to tell you everything you need to know. But before we jump into the details, let's take a step back and talk about why you might want to consider a Monzo account in the first place. Monzo is a mobile-only bank that's been shaking things up in the UK for a few years now. They offer a range of features that traditional banks just don't have, like instant notifications, budgeting tools, and even the ability to round up your purchases to the nearest pound and donate the difference to charity. So, if you're looking for a bank that's modern, flexible, and easy to use, Monzo could be a good fit for you. Now, let's get to the question at hand. Can you open a Monzo bank account online? The answer is yes. In fact, you can open a Monzo account entirely online without ever having to set foot in a branch. Here's how to do it. Download the Monzo app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Create an account by providing your name, email address, and phone number. Verify your identity by taking a selfie and uploading a photo of your ID. Choose the type of account you want, personal or business. Set up your account by providing your address and other relevant information. Wait for your Monzo card to arrive in the mail. Once your card arrives, you can activate it and start using your Monzo account. So, there you have it. Opening a Monzo bank account online is quick and easy. If you're looking for a modern, flexible, and easy-to-use bank account, Monzo is definitely worth considering. And if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. I hope this video has been helpful. If it has, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos on personal finance. Thanks for watching.